In this video, we're going to be showing you how we connect our Samsung Smart TV to the Wi-Fi. Now, first thing we need to do is locate and access these settings. To do that, we're going to go to the left to open up that side menu, then scroll down and select Settings. Now, upon selecting this settings option, it will give us access to this little menu here, which we will then click All Settings. And then upon clicking All Settings, we're going to scroll down on this menu until we see Connections. Upon opening up the Connections tab, we will then select Network. Then scroll down and click on Network Settings. It's then going to prompt us if we want wireless or wired. Because we're doing Wi-Fi, we want to select wireless. It's then going to search for all of the wireless connections around, and then we will just simply select our home network, enter in the password, and then hit connect. It's going to go through a quick little process, and then once we see that blue check mark, it means we are good to go and connected to the internet. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.